Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on differentiating trigonometric functions. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. Differentiation. If y equals sin x, then dy dx equals cos x. If y equals cos x, then dy dx equals minus sin x. And if y equals tan x, then dy dx equals sec squared x. These three are exactly the same, except we have a constant here, m, in front of each of the x's. So when you differentiate mx, you get m in each case. And remember, the minus sign goes here. So these three are exactly the same as those, except you have a constant involved. Here are some examples. Let's differentiate y equals sin 4x. So dy dx is 4 cos 4x, which is exactly the same as the first one. So you just follow these rules here and you can't go wrong. Differentiate y equals 5 sin 6x. 6 5s are 30. And when we differentiate sine, we get cos, and the 6x remains the same. So it's 30 cos 6x. Differentiate y equals 7 cos 2x. 2 7s are 14. Don't forget the negative sign. And there's your 2x. And differentiate 3 tan 2x. 2 3s are 6. When you differentiate tan, sec squared. And there's your 2x. If we differentiate y equals tan 2x plus 3, you differentiate 2x plus 3, that gives you 2. You put the 2 out the front. The differential of tan is sec squared, and that function remains the same. If we differentiate y equals x sine 2x, you can see that that's the product of two functions there. So we use the product rule. So if y equals uv, you remember the product rule, dy dx is u dv dx plus v du dx. Here u equals x, v equals sine 2x. If you substitute those into that formula, you get this answer here. 2x cos 2x plus sine 2x. If y equals sine x over e to the x, find dy dx. Can you see that's the quotient rule? Because there's one function, there's the other, and there's division happening. So if y equals u over v, that's the quotient rule. If u equals sine x and v equals e to the x, you substitute those two there into that formula. That gives you that line. Now you can see there's an e to the x here and an e to the 2x there, because it's v squared. So you take e to the x outside the bracket to give you that, and that's e to the 2x here. So one of the e to the x cancels, so you're left with e to the x in the denominator, cos x minus sin x in the numerator, and that's the answer. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle. What is the meaning of the following? An afterthought. How good is that one? Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal.